What are you doing? What is that? I'm gonna get you. Worm fingers. More what? You want me to get you?
Tickle,
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Yeah. Tickle, tickle.
Natalie, what is that? What are you holding?
Natalie.
Is it tissue?
Natalie, can you do this?
Good girl.
Not with the tissue. Use your hand.
And how do you play peekaboo? Hey Natalie, what's this? Nose.
Aki what? Monkey. What does a monkey do? What does a rabbit do?
Hop, hop, hop. Good girl.
What does a cow do?
What does a pig do? Yeah. I. What does a sheep do?
What about a chicken? Good girl.
How about a cat?
Meow.
Meow.
And a dog? What does a dog do? Oh, yes, that's right. Good girl. Give me 5.
A pig.
Pig.
Pig,
A
a pig.
pig.
A pig, a pig. A pig, a pig, a caca. Pig, a pig, a caca.
That's right.
A pig, a pig.
A pig.
Natalie, what does a dog eat?
Boo,
Right.
Bone. Dog
Dog
eats
eats
bone.
bone.
What does Natalie eat?
boo.
Natalie
No.
doesn't eat a bone. Natalie eats noodles and cereal.
Okay, Natalie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.